Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the stream. I hope everybody is having a fantastic and a wonderful day, and that everything has been awesome and fantastic for you all. We are going back into Foundry once I press the right button to get this working. If it wants to, maybe. Come on. Oh, maybe. Oh. Wait. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Yay! There we go. Awesome. 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 Hello. Hello. Sharia. Hello. Rubicon. Shadow. Hello. Good evening. And Wanderer. Assembly lines confusing hedgehogs? Yes. Assembly lines would probably confuse hedgehogs. The same way that crossing the road confuses many hedgehogs. But we won't go splat. No. We won't go splat. I do not remember what we needed to do. Here it goes. Hourglass, hello! Can't believe you got rid of the octagon natural. I know. I should have just laid the octagon down. I was thinking about it. I thought maybe I should have just laid it down. Did that and like split it halfway, so we'd have half underneath and half above, even if the underneath didn't get used. But yeah, I did. I know. If I could move the oxygen generators to be 90 degrees, then that'd be great because they could run along and we could just lay it all down. Yeah. I was going to blow up my factory and build it somewhere else. That doesn't sound like something I'd do. At least not in that order. Right, we have to do electronics. I now want to get something done over here. Something very, very important. It's fun though. Blowing stuff up does sound fun. Oh, I was in the middle of moving these and never did the whole finishing thing off here, did I? Let's correct that mistake. There we go. Now you can do your thing there. Awesome. And these can do their things there. And we have CPUs on the line, which is awesome. Right. Advanced components. Advanced components are another thing that apparently is not working. So we need to expand those. We have Ilium to do. We have the expanded electronics, and I want to expand this as well. Right, let's look at this. So you want 40 and 20, and you produce 20 minutes. So 2, 4, 6, 8. We're only producing 100 a minute. Yeah, we could definitely do with producing way more than that. But before we do that, we need to have a look at 40 a minute of these guys coming in. Being made here. Oh, you do 60, so 6, 8, 12. Sorry, 6, 12, 24. 30, so we're using 300, so we could absolutely expand that. Have to bring there. Try not to find V rising. Maybe that's okay. That's okay. We'll come back and play that tomorrow. But I don't think Bordicus is going to be rejoining us in that at all. So, which is fair enough. That's his choice. But how do I go about expanding this? like this. That's putting that wall right in the way of my like that. So put on, oops. There you go. I don't have Mod 3 assemblers yet. I haven't made any. That's something we need to continue on doing down there. So I could upgrade into Mod 3, but it would only make them 50% faster. So instead of doing 20, they do 30, which is still not enough.
Squirrel!
Squirrel! No squirrels! No, we're not getting distracted. We're concentrating. We're doing the thing. There are no squirrels here. There are no squirrels here. Incorrect squirrelization. How could you? So yeah, they use 40. We produce 60 times 5. We're using 4, 8, 12, 60. We're using 200, and we're producing.
Will you be serious for a minute?
I'm trying to be serious. I'm trying to be serious, but people keep turning me 8-bit and trying to describe me as squirrels. How could you? How could you? So yeah. So these are. We need to expand this. This is just. This, I should not have put this here. This is annoying. This is annoying. Should not have done this, but I did. So we have to deal with it now. Wow. How can we? Oh, you're not even connected anymore as well. So now I keep remembering I haven't connected up the Mark II stuff. We could go under. We could go under and build out that way. I was trying to build on top, but I don't think that's going to happen here. I do feel like I've trapped myself into a place here, but yeah, I think going under is probably going to be the best way. Actually, probably right there. Primal, hello, good evening. Oh, my chat's gone back out. There it is. Boom. Busy modern retracing power lines. Ah, okay. You're making them longer. So we can move that there. Allows us to go down underneath there.
Squirrel!
Squirrel! More squirrels! Why the squirrels? We're not being distracted. We are not being distracted. In fact, if anything, you are distracting me with squirrels. It's your fault. It's entirely your fault. How could you? How could you? And more connectors. Ah, cool. Go this way with this and come back up again over here. Don't know why I had that one further back. You should go up, down, and then I can't put in belts. Right, had the solar farm come on? The solar farm up there, or do we do one another place? I don't know. Solar's doing very well. Solar's doing very well for us. More powerful now has 10 sensors. Read the line. Read the line. What? Squirrel I went. Yes. Squirrel. Yes. All the squirrel distractions. Bad squirrel. And that squirrely squirrel. I'll make it more expensive. That's what I'll do. I'll make it more expensive. Then you can't afford to squirrelize me. 1, 2. I don't know how many I want to actually increase this to. We're making 300, aren't we? So 4, 8, 12. 200, 240, 280. If I put 3 in, we'll use too many of them. So I want to upgrade this and I'll upgrade the same one over there, don't we? So. No, bad. And then I'm gonna go 2 more. Do. Just save up more, is it? No. No. I may turn it down slightly though, because it is compared to everything else on the stream, loud. But that's kind of the point of it, I suppose. Move over there. It's up there. Next up there. Also, let's upgrade these 2 belts. Upgrade that belt as well. Output speed on the end. Anything trying to keep up with the original tweet for 2 floor power poles? Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay. I need more sloops. Oh, there's that many. Let's come back here and upgrade every single belt. Oh, run out of belts. More belts are required. Of course, you're not getting any belts because the belt thing isn't connected. So yeah, I haven't connected this other belt thing here. For some reason, I disconnected these guys, and I'm not sure why. Why did I disconnect them? What was I doing with this? Something. I feel like I must have been doing it underground. Was I bringing in the belts previously? Smart 2 belts, that's smart 2 splitters. Okay, where does that come from? Or does it come from there and stop? Oh, that would... Yes, okay. But where's the Mark 1 conveyor belts? That's that, and that's that. Then your pipes. That Smart 1 conveyor belts are there. That's also cut off. Okay. Why? Why did I cut things off here? What was I doing? What was I doing? Me coming up with them, would I? I wouldn't have planned to come up with them. I think I would have gone down and then... Oh, I don't remember. So I don't know how to reconnect them. Yeah. Right, okay. Let's just plug them in. Let's just plug them back in. I was going to go down. Don't want to go down here. I don't know where the other line is. Got loaders on it. Okay, so this is the other side of loaders. That's okay. We could come down and go under those. Okay. Let's just do this. That's belts. That's that, and this one is okay. So they've all got to very awkwardly kind of cross each other. You need to be on the outside line. These two need to be showing the inside lines. I don't know what's going on up there. That's fine. So we want to have you come down there. Down there. There. You actually want to be the first one. Run along and you'll run underneath there. This is probably loads of dirt I put it back in myself anyway at some point. Right along here. That way. Up one. Let's do there. So yeah, that turns up there. Excellent. You can start making 3 belts for us. Put up in here. We don't have any mark 3 belts though, so this is now going to take a little while to do anything with, because we seem to have them. Plus, I removed all that stuff there, and I should not have removed any of that stuff there. But yeah, don't. Let's put it back. Put it back. Oh. Boop. Flap. Boom. And then we open that and we dump the Mark 2s in there. Same for you. We open this up and we dump the Mark 2s in there. We're going to have basically infinite access to Mark II belts. Okay, that's fine, but we don't have any belts left to connect anything else up or do anything else, which is very annoying. Yeah, you guys are struggling because you're not getting enough components, but that's okay. I can't upgrade anything until we get some belts, so can't really do a great deal until we get some Mark III belts going on. So, dope. Okay. How many are you making? Wow. Only 24 a minute. Not that many. That's not all that great. Okay. So, what do we want to do here? Coffee. We want to. I can't do anything. I can't do anything until I get some more belts. That's the problem. I can't do a thing until I get some more belts. So, yeah. Kind of stuck. Kind of stuck right now. Could put some things with Mark 2 belts. We don't need to upgrade everything to Mark 3 straight away. So, Hourglass, if I was going to do something like that, I would literally reboot the factory. I would reboot the factory in a much better way now we have the latest technologies. Yeah, I'd reconfigure this. I wouldn't have so much stuff come down to the bus and do bits and pieces now. I would have satellite factories. I think that works better than a main bus system in this game. Just basically putting the SatAM poles, the xenoferrite plates and steel on a bus would pretty much be it. Although I think the way I do it is I put all the raw materials on a bus. I'd have every raw material in the game on conveyor belts going through, and then every place smelts and builds and does everything it wants to do. Each place is a satellite factory, independent of all the rest of them. Which does mean you end up building multiple of things, but I think that would work pretty well. So. Okay, the other one is we want to upgrade these guys, don't we? And this one we can do on top because we can run about from that line up and over, like what we've done with these ones. So let us. Oh. I think it needs to be one larger on each side. So, okay, copy that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many belts do we have? That'll do for making this work. Do. I don't think I can achieve that. That's not how I want to do it. Nope. We want to come up to this, don't we? So I want to put you 1, 2, 3. Float down, float down, float down. That, and then we want to slope up like so. There we go. Okay. Then we have a belt come out there. We need to merge, so I'm going to try and merge here. Down. Oh, it's one out. Oh well, it's going to have a bit of a twist to it. There we go. Upgrade that. Upgrade that. Upgrade that. 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 Okay. Oh. Froggy! But nothing's exploded! Nothing's exploded. Everything's working. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay. Now, we should have, by the time this gets up here, everything needs to make sure all these guys work all at once, which they should be doing now. So we're now producing 200 advanced components, which is still not enough, I don't believe. Let me see. We need 12 there. Somebody didn't turn the thing around. I don't know how many there. I can't see. Five here, so 5, 10, 15. Oh god, there's 10 there, isn't there? So there's 50. Oh. It's on a slope out as well. Why is it that as soon as I stop, I'm like, you are tired now. I don't want to be tired. No. No, body. Don't want to be tired today. This one only requires 16.7. That's not so bad. This one requires 24 times 10 is 240. So that requires 240, but only making 200. So this needs to go even faster, and even more. But come on, because I need more space and more things and more bits and pieces for it. Wow, who'd have thought you needed this many advanced components? What do we need to get tier 3? Vermilite sheets. That's over there, isn't it? How does one get vermilite sheets? Liquid vermilite in the casting iron. This requires an electric arc furnace, which turns 100 bar into 1,000. Okay. Let's get an electric arc furnace going. Let's see if I can even find one. Steel, advanced parts, electronics, components, circuits. $25 advanced machinery and circuits. Oop, and then electric arc furnace. Okay. Any more floor? Let's just get more floor. Oh, hello. I will take all the floor. Thank you. Okay. Put down our electric arc furnace. Let's have a look at. We'll do that. You require 800 a minute. Right, 10,000 a minute. This is not going to run at speed. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. How much does it sell for? The drones. Out. Get out. We're on. Sales. It doesn't tell you how much they cost, is it? They're 5 each, are they? Where does it tell you that? Does it tell you that on the thing itself? Okay, I'm sure I saw it tells you somewhere. Yeah. So 12,008 is 60,000. Yeah, so they're 5 each. Okay. If they're 5 each, we need to be selling 160 a minute. If we wanted it, I'm not going to, but if we wanted to run that, we need 160 a minute. This produces 60 a minute. Yeah, I've got a lot, but obviously that will come down. But this whole thing here produces 60 a minute. So we need to put almost 3 times the amount in here to get 160 per minute, just to have one electric arc furnace running 24 hours a day at 100% speed. Which is impressive. I think we got something like 37,000 in storage up there, which is broken because you're not supposed to have that much storage. But that's because this game had it's before the patch fix. So this is not going to run at speed because we can only run this at 60 a minute. So at the most, which is fine. So then we want to turn the liquid into sheets in a casting machine, which is odd to me. I don't know why it's not a smelter, but yep. Casting machine. Casting machine. Comes out that side. Okay, that's fine. That can be turned around. I don't think the bars are used anywhere else, so we just need to melt them. I think. I'm not sure. I don't think they're used anywhere else. So, oh, I had 4 on me already. You want to be making sheets, which is 1,250. So 10,000 divided by 1,250. So it's 8 of these. We're not going to run at 8 of these. We can't run at 8 of these. We run it at 60, not 800. How do I figure out what that ratio is? 800 divided by 60. Running at 13%, is that right? Nope, that's not right. I don't know how you figure out the ratio. I don't know what 60 is out of that 7.5. How do you calculate that? What is the formula for calculating that? Because I got 0.075 by doing 60 divided by 800. Is it? Oh, hold on. Isn't it the smallest number times 100 divided by the big number? 60 divided by 8 times, yeah, times 100. Okay, that's, yeah, right. Okie dokie. So run at 7.5% of speed. So that means if we go Hazy, hello, good evening. Which means we are only producing, if we're running it at 60 a minute, that's all the bots we have, we're only producing 750 a minute, which is 7.5% of 10,000. So that means it would be half of one of these. We're producing like, not quite half, but just over half of this, but yeah. So we're producing 3 a minute. That's just bad rounded quick maths. So we're making 3 sheets a minute. And what do we need to make the assemblers Mark 3s? That doesn't matter. That's not important. 20 sheets. Oh god. We're making 3 a minute. That's a long time. I need to up my everything, or I need to get a assembler going to start selling the drones, because the drones obviously sell for more. However, the drone thing doesn't require any Thermite to go, but does require the parts here, which do require, the heads require Thermite sheets. Torsos, not shit, not heads, sorry, torsos. So makes 4 a minute, makes 4 a minute, makes 4 a minute, and makes 4 a minute. So we need 2 more of these, because you obviously need 2 arms and 2 legs. Okay. You want 8 a minute to do that, and what do we need to make robot parts? I want to see who has 38,000 games in the library. Yeah, I bet they haven't played most of them. But yeah, 4, 8, so these need 4 each. That's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. You need 24 robot parts. You just need 4 of these guys. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. You need 6 of these guys, which is 24 Thermite sheets a minute. Plus, I need 32. I need 32 sheets a minute if I want this to run at 100% speed. Yeah, just to get the robots going, I need 24 sheets a minute, which is 5 of these guys, and that would be 1 extra. And what's 10,000 divided by 1250 is 8 of them. So technically if this is running at full speed we could do 8, but to get 800 a minute, how much do robots sell for? I'm sure I told you somewhere. I'm sure. I'm sure it told you how much each one cost. Oh, they sell for 200. Large storage with arms, legs, and medium storages with heads and torsos. Plus 1 large storage with plates and 2 large storage with bars. They sell for 200. Okay. So they sell for 200 bars. Each bar what the hell? So each bar, one bar, becomes 12.5 liquid, and 12.5 liquid. I don't know why I figured these ratios out, but
Squirrel!
no squirrels. Five sheets per bar. Why? Oh, you won't run on one, will you? No. How much do you need minimum? 100. It's not 5 sheets per bar. It's 5 sheets per 100 bars. 100 bars becomes 1,250 liquid. And 250 liquid for that. So yeah. So it's yeah, 20 bars per sheet. So you're saying you're earning 40 film wrap bars off of a robot truck, but you can't be. You've got to be losing money on this. You've got to be losing money on this every time. Those numbers don't work in my head. Hold on. And we need 24 sheets, don't we? We need 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 to make a robot. That's 24 sheets, not bars. 24 sheets to make a robot. Plus that, which is 32. But no, this is per minute. Sorry, this is 4 minutes. Then we divide it by 30. I'm doing that again. I'm figuring the numbers out, and I'm doing it per minute instead. Hold on. What does it actually use? 2. So it's one per. I'm looking at the wrong numbers. I did this last time. I threw my numbers off completely because I was looking at the wrong component. So that's 2 sheets. Okay, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8 sheets. 10, 12 sheets because you need 2 arms and 2 legs. Yeah. And then 2 more there. So that's so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So it's 14 sheets needed. 14 sheets needed. That's 280 bars required. If they sell for 200, you're losing 80 bars a go. Does that you're not actually making any profit on them? So that's where I suppose the maintenance rounds come in, because you just make raw profit on them. The rate for one service robot is 200. Okay, fill my bars, however, each robot costs 160 to produce. That's it. But you said that. You said that you're earning from a, but I'm adding the numbers up in the game, and that's not right. I'm counting as 240. Right, hold on. Robot parts use 2 sheets to make 2 parts. Sorry, I missed that down there. It's 2 sheets to make 2 parts, so it's 1 sheet per robot part. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 sheets. Not 12, not 14, 8 sheets. 8 times 20 is 180. That's where I'm wrong on it. That's where I'm wrong on it, yeah. Because that produces 2 sheets, two robot parts for 2 sheets, not 1 robot part for 2 sheets. So that's where I missed it. Okay, so you are making a profit. Okay, right. So that means I could potentially set this up to run at full speed, and then just make sure that we are making enough robot parts to make it full speed. And even if it doesn't run at full speed to start with, because we're not getting enough bars in, it will eventually catch up to that, because we'll get a net gain of bars over time. So, and we could still sell the drones anyway, because yeah, we just need more transport robots. So okay, so if they cost 200 bars and we need 800 bars, we need to make 4 robots a minute. I have no idea the speed of this thing. I don't know how any of this works. Corpse, thank you very much for the follow. Hello. So yeah, gonna need bars research. Yeah, we need bars research. So that's so we're still selling the drones anyway, the maintenance drones. So that'd be okay. Yeah, because the science packs requires robot parts, don't they? All robot parts. But that's fine. So we need to make robot parts, and we need to make robot parts, and sheets are only used in robot parts and the torso. They're not using anything else that I can see. So we only need to make the sheets here where we're doing the robot parts. Then set the robot parts. Well, we don't need to put the robot parts on the belt either. Although they should go on the belt, because they just need to go over to well, these things. So okay. So you make 4 a minute, and we need to be making 4 a minute. 800. They sell for 2, 4, 6. Yeah. So we need to make a minimum of 4 a minute of each of these. Feed it into assembler and have the assembler run at 4 a minute, which is what this input will go. I assume the assembler will run at the speed that it's the assembly line do that. So yeah, and then we need science as well, which is also going to be very confusing. Right, so yeah, so we need 8 24 of these, don't I? So we need 32 sheets a minute. need this to run at full speed. I don't need to run at full speed, but I'd like it to run at full speed. Okay, how do we do that? So our bars just need to come here and go straight into the arc furnace, and that can just run, and that's not a problem. And then the liquid comes out the back, and that needs to go to casting machines, preferably 8 of them, to produce the sheets. And the sheets need to go back down onto the bus, just to go along one and come back out again, or don't even need to go onto the bus, they can just go straight into the back of 4 of these machines, 6 of these machines, and 1 of you. 6 of those, 1 of you. Hold on, do that. Maybe more than 6 of you, because we also need robot parts for science. You require CPUs, nowhere near the amount we're making. That's fine. Hydraulic pistons we're not making either, so we need to do that as well. This we're making. Okay, so hydraulic pistons have to come first. Although I don't know what they're actually used for, other than they're used in science as well. How does one make hydraulic pistons? Let's jump back to here. So steel and oleumite. Okay. Is this not low density oleumite? No, this is texturite. Which one was low density oleumite? Your fuel. That is not low density. That's acid, which is being used there. This is, I don't remember. Texturite. Okay, I'm not making low. I've got to be making it. Oh, it's here, isn't it? It's used for fuel. Yeah, it's used for fuel. Damn. Actually, we've got 2 more here. I seem to remember this is what we're doing. We were working on this because I wanted to make hydraulic pistons, and yeah, I clearly have got distracted. It's not really a big surprise, let's be honest. Yeah, so let's put another tank in here. That's what I want to do. I want to put another tank in here. Steel circuit boards. Doop. Get a load of those. Ah, my definition. Why? Why must you steal these things from me? Ba 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 ba. 200 of those. Of those. I need to upgrade that as well. Make it zoom. Make it zoom. And you. Okay. Also, need to top up on rocket fuel. That's better. Oh, circuit boards. way of another structure? Yes, it probably is. Now let's see if we can put it down where it doesn't go. It's in the way of a power cable or something stupid. Needs to be fully placed on foundation. Somebody didn't make the foundation big enough. Boop. It's going to be a tight fit. I do not want that. We want to come over because the nozzle, which I don't have on me, but it's like 3 tiles long. That's even 2 tiles. I need to go out another 3 that way. Okay, Shadow, have a good one. The tank. The tonk. Give me the tonk. There we go. Now they can come out of here and plug into that one. Excellent. Okay. You. Make it huge. Make it huge. Make it as big as it would then make it top. Bounds of the buildings are blocked by something. Oh, I bet it's that power line, isn't it? Which is stupid because I don't think that is blocking it, but hard construction. There we go. Okay, so it is blocking it whilst it's being built. Then once it's built, it won't be blocking it anymore. However, I'm not going to wait for that to do its weird thing there. We are going to put in another power pole on the end down here. Do I have any large power poles? Do I have any power poles? I don't have any power poles. Can I make one? No, I need steel and electronic components. There we go. Okay. Cool. Right. We're going to come out of there and go along. We can run straight into that there, so we'll go up and over that tank. Come out, go up and over. We can always power it from this one here. So, go up. Over the top of this tank, or we could come out the side actually, hit this one and run along with this pipe on top of it, and then go behind it and go to here. The hydro distance. They're gonna go. They have to go onto the bus at least briefly. I don't really want to put them over there though. They're only going to be used in science, and that, but then science needs also. Yeah, we'll put it on the bus. We'll just put them on the bus over there. That'll be fine. Hydraulic pistons go on the bus over here. Okay. All right. Let's see what we need to do for hydraulic pistons, shall we? What are they made in? They're made in the fluid assembler, which I have 9 of them, and we need. Oop. Wait, 12 a minute. We need 4, 8, 12, 16. Plus blurg for this. I don't know how many. I haven't figured the science pack out at all yet. So, I don't know how far we're going to have the science. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not important. So we need 16 plus, and these produce 12, 24. How much oleumite is made in a thingamabob? $1,500 a minute. $360, of course. We can run 4 of these. We'll run 4 of these. Okay. So let's have piping. Have you pipe on me? Okay. Piping in the background. That's fine. You want to make decorations. Paste, paste, paste. Go get some pipe. Pipe. All the pipe. Give me all the pipe. Why do I have so much green science on me? Let's connect these guys up as well. So I want to get rid of you. Copy you. Paste you there, there, there. A standard everyday pipe and just run it along. But there you go. You can fill up with that. Awesome. You also need to be connected to the hostile grid. And you can get rid of your waste. Awesome, this is done. Excellent. Let me grab 2 more adapters. Okay. You're going to have output there, output there. Might be a tight squeeze. Nope, we're okay. We're okay. T-junctions. Go down. Needs to be a T-junction, so we're not going to use T-junction. You should be filling it with light limit. Yes, you are. Excellent. At the rate of 3,000 a minute. Means we could do more than 4 up there, but we'll do 4 because that seems like a good number. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to come out of here. My trusty connector. Look. I want to go like that. Gary, hello, hello, good evening. I hope you are having a good day. Nope, that's wrong. We're going to carry on. I really want Pipe Mania again. 3D Pipe Mania. That could be fun. You've got to get a liquid from point A to point B, and the more pipes it goes through, the more score you get. But you get given random pipes that you have to keep picking up from some location. Okay. Have I mentioned yet today how much I love this terrible thing? Invalid copy target. What? Okay, now is that still close enough to that? It is. And is it now close enough to that? It is. Okay, cool. Right. Oh. And then I need to actually connect you to there. There we go, they have power. Boom. Yeah, where we go. Awesome. Okay. Zoom. Right, you will go into here. That's excellent. Okay. I want to have a output along here. I have no idea where we're. Okay. That. You want to come out and go to steel, which is there. There, and force it to feed the factory first. Input. Input. It should not be hashing. It should work beautifully first time. There'll be no problems with it at all. Everything could be fantastical, and there will be much rejoicing. 1, 2, 3. Down slope. Up slope here. And there we have it. It's working. You should be making 12, 24, 60, 48 a minute. Awesome. So now I want to compress the filament bars into sheets, which means you're going to go this way, only to there though. Electric arc furnace. This thing is massive. I want the pipe to come out the back. Oh, here you go. Input. You make me that. Charging. Well, that's interesting. You can't actually feed it fast enough. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this? Why is this? Ah. No, I can't actually feed it fast enough. Not from a single line. They only do 640. We need 800 a minute. Right. Okay. Okay. Wait, there might 4 science pack also use. Oh well, okay. The annoying thing is that if I put in a second line, I cannot run that off of the second line. If that makes sense. I can't connect that splitter to it because of this here. If I run a second line up to that one, it wouldn't matter because we're still only 640 going up there. We need 800, so I need to run a second line all the way up to there. It's doable. We'd have to run it at the same height as this guy here. Just turn it in and bring it in afterwards. Okay. So we want 8 casters doing no, why would you do such a thing? We have 4 casting machines. Put them like this, and we could do a lot in one go, couldn't we? We're going to freak out because of the foundation. Ugh. You want to be doing sheets. Where's the input? Not that side. That side. Okay, so it's the side. It's the left. Can I make any more casting machines? Advanced machinery parts and electronic components. Loads of these because I need to make 4 of them. And we need steel beams. 2, 3, 4. More flooring. Boop, doop, doop, doop. Boop. Okay, but you want to come out and just go this way, however many you want to go. Then we get our casting machines, turn it around. Yeah. Bigger machine to make. Okay. Two, 3, or if we do that instead. Copy. That. Then we turn it around, do exactly the same on this side. Oop. Oop. Yes, they're going to moan about their foundations. That's okay. Let's grab an intersection. Boom, there you go. You should all start working now. All we want to do is output. Oh, I need to make it one bigger. That's all right. Oh. And I need to grab some more loaders. Need to move the bus again. Need to move the bus closer. Or make some ender chests so that we can have this storage connect to other storages. Connected storage. Yep, all of you should be running, doing your wonderful atmospheric cleansing cycle, which is awesome. There are our sheets. These are producing 5 a minute, is that right? Yep. So 5, 10, 15, 20. We have 40 sheets a minute. Although we won't, because this is not running at full speed anyway, but you have the potential for it. Alright, so the sheets only want to go to bots, and that's it, isn't it? So let's get rid of you. And let's us put in one guy here. There. And you want to be the bot torso guy. Yep. Okay, because you also need access to these sheets. I don't think anyone else does. And then behind you, we need to put in 24 robot parts. So we want to do... leave a 3 gap. 4, 8, 12, 16. 20, 24. Six. $24. These are all going to be robot parts, aren't they? Oh god, you need more than just plates, don't you? Oh yeah, you need way more than just... That's okay, we have space this side to do... No, we don't. No, we don't. How many things do you need for rubber parts? 4, isn't it? Yes, it's 4. Oh, that's annoying. Also, don't we need... No, we need robot parts, don't we, for P5. Yeah, robot parts. We don't need sheets for it. So we choose to bring that up on the outside there. What do you require for torsos as well? I hadn't even thought about that. And you don't require anything this requires. Ah. That's annoying. I can't put that in line with it. So, rubber parts, I was going to have one this side, but I can't do that now because we're coming too far here. We have to move this over by 1. Rubber parts starts down here, but if we run rubber parts down here, rubber parts need to go on the bus anyway. Because they need to go up to science as well. So we'll run that down there, and then we'll run the rubber parts back up again. Where we'll do the arms and legs and bits and pieces as and when they're needed. So that's fine. So all this needs to be moved over by 1. We're going to do torsos. Because you need to bring in stuff that we can't bring in. No, we can. We can bring in. We do it above. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Boom, like that. Okay. Well, so get rid of that one. In a nose. Put them. Take your sheets. Place it there. We're going to then remove you guys. We will configure you to be robots. This is a bit weird, this one, because if we do this, we're going to take priority away from other things. But I'm building it in such a way that it's just probably a really dumb idea to build it this way, but That's okay. That's okay. Most of my factory needs tearing down anyway. We're honest here. Let's come to here. Okay, and then you want to have a input. Here. I'm gonna move you. There you go. Well, right. Okay. So then, coming up this side here, we need to bring the other three things you need. So, or two things. We need circuit boards and energy cells. I don't have a clue where anything is because the bus is not long enough. Let us extend the bus. I can't tell where the edge of the platform was. I just couldn't see it. No. Not there. Not there. Not anywhere else. Just here. Oh. I bet assembler Mark 3s require... Yeah, they do. They require 3 white sheets as well. Oh, that's awkward. That's... No, it's not, because we're putting the sheets back. No, we're not. There. That's not sheets. That's robot pots. The sheets I weren't putting on the bus at all. That's annoying. Yeah, we might squeeze it in here somewhere later. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows if I can be bothered with it? I am, however, absolutely yawning my head off, which is very annoying because I've not even been going for 2 hours yet, and nothing's working to keep me awake. The coffee's not working, which is very annoying, but that's understandable because I was up at like 8:30 this morning going to the dentist. So yeah, I'm not tying myself up in knots, not yet. We need circuits and energy cells. So circuits and energy cells. I don't like this blue thing at night. It's difficult to see. That's energy cells. That's circuits. So we do. Oh, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there we go. Right, so that means our robots are going to be fine. However, we now need to get stuff in for the robot parts, which are advanced components, circuits, and polymer. Not circuits, these guys. So we're going to have to come out a little bit further, bring them in, and then turn them. Join that, which is fine. I was going to bring them in above, but we'd have to go up, split them, jump these belts, and come back down again afterwards. Which I suppose is doable. I suppose that's doable. Always give that a go. Something different. Haven't done it before. Can I? Down slope. Oh, because you can't stack on top of those things. Oh. Well, that's it. Will do. Do that. So we want advanced machinery, electrics, and polymer. This one wants to be the first one away, which I think is the polymer. Yep. Boom. Okay, polymer. Advanced components are there. Electrics are right next door, so boom. And then advanced components. There. Okay. Okay, so it looks like just one of them is going to be the awkward one. We need to come down, and I can't come down before that. So we need to bring this back. I think this will work. Okay, so up slope, slope, down a slope, down a slope, and a down a slope. Splitter slope, splitter attached to the slope balancer or whatever they're called. There we go. Let's bring all those in. Okay. I have realised something. I've no output for this guy. Well, I can't output there now. I can't put one in there because these are too high and not one high. Why? Why must these loaders be too high and not one high? Why? There are robot parts, and you are going to have some robot torsos in you. But there you go. Awesome. It's a doing it. We've got no electronic components. Okay, this is diagonous. Right. Okay. I don't know where I'm going to output that. I might just output it there or something. I don't know. We'll figure out how to get the torsos out of this. They need to go to the assembly line. I don't know where the assembly line is going to be. Here, possibly. I think. The factory pickups always the other side. We could do the assembly line in there. We could run all these things along into it and have the assembly line running that way. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. What we need to do is expand our electronics because it's not working. It's not working. Reduce them. 30. That's 300. This is doing 300. We need it to do more. We very much need it to do more. Hello, and this is run out of ignium. Yes, it doesn't surprise me because we're not mining ignium either. We're relying on another system to do ignium, and it's not reliable. Not reliable. However, I'm going to figure that out next time. I'm tired. I'm yawning. I need to sleep. I did say a few weeks ago that I wasn't going to be streaming on Mondays anymore because this is normally what happens. The Sunday nights get me, and then the Mondays I'm just always tired. But I wanted to try and stream some more Foundry, not Factorio, Foundry, because I want to finish this. I want to finish it, but it's complicated towards the end, especially when I'm tired. It's complicated even when I'm not tired, but it's more complicated. So yeah, we're gonna leave this here. It's been 2 hours. I do apologise. I'm doing way shorter stuff at the moment, but it's yeah. I'm not a young hedgehog. I can't do it anymore. No. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and I do hope to see you again in the next one. Tomorrow we're back doing some more VD Rising. Although I might, although don't hold me to it, might play some Foundry before that because I'm free all day. So maybe we'll see. We'll see whether it comes along or not, or whether something comes up because there might be stuff going on. I don't know. Don't hold me to that. Maybe surprise stream. Who knows? But until then, as always, have fun.